A message on hold is an extremely cost-effective method of promoting your products and services to your customers. Your customer's already called you, he or she is waiting online, so why not tell them something interesting about your products and your services? Sure, you can place advertisements in newspapers and they'll be wrapped around tomorrow's fish and chips, of course.
Howie Hughes is the CEO of Australian Lightwing, manufacturer of Australia's safest light sport aircraft.
I like to think this is a bit like the Remington man who liked the shaver so much that he bought the company. Well, we wanted a message on hold system. We couldn't find one that was at a reasonable price, so I built my own. I used some electronic components, a silicon chip, and this was the first prototype that we built way back in about 1990. And these silicon chips played a 90-second message, and we found that that was absolutely perfect for replacing those awful chimes that we found on our telephone system that we had in our brand new showroom. Fast forward almost 20 years, we have our own proprietary player unit. The message is recorded on the card, pop the card in the slot, and your message on hold is playing. It's as simple as that. We will record and script your message, mixing in background music to your choice. This is the plug. You simply plug it into your telephone system, plug the 240 volt power adapter into the wall, and away you go. It's that simple.